Karen Olzik. I'm the region manager for our consumer products business, and I'm based out of Tampa. So Oracle is a global provider of applications and technology in the consumer products business as well as far beyond. We've been in business for nearly 50 years, and we are excited to be part of the American Food Manufacturing Summit. So Oracle is one of the sponsors of the American Food Manufacturing Summit this year, 2024. And I think this has been a great opportunity for us to hear what organizations are looking for, what's important to them. Really had a lot of time to interact and think about the, some of the use cases, some of the things that are really top of mind in terms of innovation, in terms of sustainability. And so I think this has been an opportunity for us to really meet these organizations where they are and think about how we can help them solve their problems.